Let's now try to understand what is dictionary attack by itself. Okay, so a dictionary attack is basically looks like this. So what happens in a dictionary attack? This attack is applicable for use cases wherein user use some kind of password which is based on some regular words, okay, or regular expressions. So that is where the attacker leverage that particular weakness. And the common dictionary attack is based it is based on password hashes, right? So there are sources available on internet from where they can fetch like the common words which are already there, and they are already converted into the respective hashes. So those kind of files can be obtained freely from internet, and then those kind of digest then can be run against the whatever the password hash we can run that against that particular hash. Okay, so there are automated tools which are available in the wild, and those kind of tools are used for this particular purpose. And it is so effective, dictionary attack is so effective that it takes only few seconds actually to break a common password, like somebody using password as a password, or somebody using PASSWORD, or like whatever you think is common is can be broken within a minute. Okay, so those kind of automated tools available. Some example can be there is a tool which is called as the Hydra, which is there in Kali. And also, for example, in our network we also use SNMP SNMP passwords, right? So earlier versions of SNMP protocol, we use plain text there as a community password. So those kind of password can be sniffed by the attacker, and then this kind of attack can be run thereafter, right? So what can happen? Dictionary words means any kind of regular word based on some place, some kind of something, some kind of location, some kind of product. Those are called as the common password. So based on that, there is hash which is generated. Okay, and then the attacker is actually download that particular dictionary word digest, and then run it against the password digest which he acquired by way of sniffing the packets somewhere, right? So somewhere down the line it will match to one of the, if there is a weak password being used, it will match there, and then this attack can get successful. Okay, now what is the remedy for a dictionary attack? Okay, so sorry. The first thing what we can have is we can have a strong password policy. We can enforce the strong password policy, ask people to have a lengthy password, maybe 10 characters or something like it, and then ask them or enforce them to use capital letters, uppercase, normal case, and then mix of some special characters. Those kind of things we need to enforce, right? On the design side, when it comes, we need to use algorithm. Mostly these are integrated into the operating system, those kind of algorithm which make use of salting and peppering at the same time. Okay, so those are some of the solutions there. Also, we need to make sure that HMAC is being used, because if the password is traveling from maybe over the wire somewhere, we need to make sure that we are making use of HMAC. So if you remember HMAC correctly, that is where we generated the hash message digest of the particular message. We actually integrate a particular secret key also along with the message, and then we generate the hash value there. So that definitely prevents any kind of man in the middle attack, because the attacker who is trying to sniff your password will not be able to decode it, because he doesn't have the key with himself, right? So that is a perfect way to actually defend against those kind of attacks. Then in enterprise, few enterprise also go for validating the strength of password. right? They go and validate the strength of password, and based on that they spread awareness among the employees that you need to use the complex passwords and all that, right? So that is where it is a mix of all the technical controls, and again the most important part is educating your workforce onto generating lengthy passwords and complex passwords. So that is what is a dictionary attack.